Hi y'all, it's Alice with Vintage Gal 18. Welcome to Mail Art Monday. So this week I'm sticking to the bird theme again. I'll probably do 2 more bird theme envelopes and then move on to something different. I chose this Stampin' Up! Paper because it has little birds ready for me. I'm also going to be embossing some birds using my gold embossing powder by Stampin' Up! And then I try stamping with my gold Encore ink, but it doesn't really stand out like the embossing powder. So I'm going to go back with a gel pen and write over it. And it comes out okay. It's not that bad. But I keep it very simple and I just like the way it comes out. So I'm going to leave some music here so you can see my process. And I hope you guys have a great Monday. Thank you so much. Bye.